In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Polotno Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your text looking clean, consistent, and on brand. Start by opening your web browser and heading to studio.polotno.com. You'll see a simple, intuitive workspace. From here, decide whether you want to make or select a template or continue with an existing project. Templates are great when you want a quick, polished starting point. They give you layout structure and a sense of how text interacts with background elements. If you already have a design in progress, just open that project so you can pick up right where you left off. Once your template or a project is on the canvas, click the text box you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around the text. As soon as it's selected, a toolbar will appear. This toolbar is where you control your typography. If you don't see it, double check that the text is active and not another element like an image or shape. You'll typically find controls for font family, size, spacing, alignment, and the color setting we're focusing on today. Look for the font color option in that toolbar. It usually appears as a colored square or a button labeled color. Click it to open the color picker. Here you can choose from preset swatches or enter a custom color. If you have brand guidelines, typing in a hex code helps you match colors precisely and keep your design consistent across different assets. As you choose a color, you'll see your text update on the canvas in real time, which makes it easy to judge how it looks against photos, shapes, or backgrounds. Aim for strong contrast so your text remains readable at a glance. Light text on dark backgrounds and dark text on light backgrounds are reliable choices. If your design uses multiple text styles like headings and captions, try keeping a cohesive palette so your hierarchy feels intentional rather than random. If you're experimenting, take your time with small adjustments. Tweak the shade, check the result, and keep refining until the text feels balanced with the rest of the design. When you're satisfied, that's it. Your new text color is applied. And that's the whole process. You went to studio.polotno.com, selected a template or existing project, clicked the text box to bring up the toolbar, and used the font color option to choose exactly the color you want. Thanks for watching and happy designing.